Today I'm going to show you how to see communities based on tech on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to find tech-focused communities so you can connect with people who share your interests, discover conversations, and stay updated with the latest trends in technology. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, once you're on X.com, look at the left navigation bar. You should see the main menu options there. If you don't see the option you need right away, click on More from the left navigation bar. This will open up additional menu items and give you access to more features inside X. Next, from the expanded menu, click Communities. This is where X keeps groups and topic-based spaces that help people connect around specific interests. Communities are a great way to explore content that matches what you actually want to see instead of scrolling through unrelated posts. After that, look for the tags or topic options at the top. From the available tags, click Technology. This will filter the communities so you can view tech-based communities only. Once you select technology, you'll be able to browse communities related to gadgets, software, AI, programming, startups, and more. And that's it. In just 3 steps, you've learned how to see communities based on tech on X.com. It's fast, it's simple, and it's a great way to find the right conversations without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.